Morning everybody.
Morning.
And where are we, Dave?
We're at Thingy.
Thingy.
We're at that place called
we're at Minehead.
Minehead Caravan and Camping Club site.
We are. And
Caravan and Motorhome Club site even, sorry.
Yes, Caravan and Motorhome Club site. So at the Minehead Caravan and Motorhome Club site, we arrived last night and we got set up and had a little walk into Minehead. Didn't take the camera with us, but just wanted to have a little look around and a little relaxing walk.
Along the seafront, well, bayfront.
Seafront, bayfront, yep.
It's so, actually it's a what do you call it then? It's a, what is it? Estuary. It's an estuary.
So, I don't know.
I think it's an estuary. It looks like an estuary.
You can see Wales anyway.
That's the country, not the animal.
Not Wales. Yeah. Not Wales with flippers. So what we're doing today?
We are going on a train.
We're going on to the Somerset Heritage Railway. It is apparently the longest heritage railway in the country. It's about 20 miles. We are going to get off if we can, part way through. But yeah, we're going to take you with us. So we're going to get ourselves ready and get sorted out and sort this whinging dog out. And we'll catch you when we get to the railway. So we'll see you in a bit.
Yeah, we're going on a train ride. Hey, see you later, guys.
I wonder how busy this is going to be today.
Well, we shall see shortly. People queuing at the ticket office.
Yeah, we've
book early, people. That's what I say. Book early.
They're probably thinking not to bother booking because
well,
towards the end of the season, isn't it?
We're booking. Did we get any discount for Caravan and Motorhome Club?
No, I didn't look. No, it's get across the road. I think there'll be a few
anyway, don't we?
Eh?
Looks like we have to queue anyway and book in.
Maybe.
Gates are locked, so we can't get through there.
We
have to go through there if we've already booked on.
I don't know. I'm just going to find out if these. Are you all waiting to get tickets? Are you booked? Already booked? All right. Okay. I think there are all people waiting to get tickets. We've already booked, so.
Right. Okay.
See if we can just go through. Oh, it's a gifty shop, Dave.
Eh?
Gifty shop, got a fridge magnet.
Oh, you need to get one of your thingy train.
The train ones.
Train ones. There's a penny press. Look. A lot of times we've done this. Are we on what platform are we on? Do we know?
I don't know.
The last departure from Minehead today will be the 10 o'clock Heritage Diesel Multiple Unit Service, all stations to Bishop's Lydiard. This train will call at Dunster, New Anchor, Washford, Watchet, Donniford Halt, Willerton, Stegumber, Crocombe Heathfield and Bishop's Lydiard.
And he still didn't tell us which platform it's getting from.
No, I didn't. I'm assuming it's platform 1. I'm assuming it's that one there.
I'm assuming it's this one.
You'll only assume that.
Yeah. So we just got off the train.
And where are we? We're at Watchet. Watchet, you.
Go and find the shops.
You, otherwise I'll do ya. Watchet.
Just outside the station, you've got the Watchet Boat Museum and Visitor Centre. Not sure we're going to go. Oh, there's a little map here, look.
Not a massive place, is it?
No, it's not a big place. So you've got the harbour. Shops and cafes that way.
Yeah.
Beach. Market House Museum. So, let's go and have a look. There's always a kebab house, isn't there, wherever you go?
Yep. Always.
Sadly, a lot of little empty shops. Somerset Hotel. Oh, there's a
Milk.
Milk. Yes. Yes. Dave tried juggling milk last night, didn't you, honey?
I did.
Eh?
I did.
It's a little church. The deli there,
The
look.
deli.
Oh.
Sweeties.
Oh, Dave.
What?
The traditional little Swedish shop.
Yeah, no, there's cafes there. Oh, come on,
Cafe.
come on.
Dave will be getting some sweeties.
Hey, here we go. Look at this. Hello, darling.
Here we are on the harbour.
It's a harbour. You can't go in there, you big snozzer.
This is nice, isn't it?
Some boats on here, look. Oh, hang on. We've got here.
We've got the Coast Guard there.
HMS Coast Guard, Watchet. There you go, look. And then they've got a statue of, quite sure what it is, but he's got an albatross in his hand.
This statue was commissioned in 2000 by Watchet Market House Museum Society.
There he is.
So Watchet is a historic harbour town on the West Somerset coast, known for its maritime heritage, active marina and proximity to the Exmoor National Park and Quantock Hills. So there's visitors can explore the museum's heritage, ride the West Somerset Railway, which we've just been on, and discover fossils along the coast. And there's lots of little crafts and markets that go on here. So it's only a tiny harbour town. Yeah.
If you want to see a real fossil.
Oi.
Oi, there you go, there's a fossil.
We've got the impression of Watchet Harbour from around 1880. The Watchet was served by two railways, and they brought heavy goods and day trippers. Little bar and cafe there.
Yeah.
Who's this chap then? Statue to Yankee Jack.
Yeah.
Say hi, Yankee Jack.
Hey, dude. You alright?
Lifeboat down there, honey.
Where?
There. A little gift shop, ice cream.
Gift shop.
Yeah. Little library there. It's cute, isn't it?
Not a massive
Oh, and there's
place.
a station.
Not a massive place, isn't it?
No, it's only a small place. It's lovely, isn't
That's
it?
nice, isn't it? It's a bit different, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sandbags. Like
Yeah,
it.
it is. I like that. Welcome to East Quay. Shops and gallery. There's a cafe.
Yeah. Breakfast now until 11.
Yep.
Oh, we missed
Just
it.
missed it. Oh, boat for sale down there if anybody wants one. There's a boat for sale down there.
For sale?
£4,000.
For sale?
Yeah.
£4,000.
£4,000.
Is it a big boat?
Huh?
Won't be a big boat for that, will it?
No, it's that little one there.
Which one?
This one here.
That one?
That little sailboat, yeah.
Oh, God, that's cheap.
Harbour entrance there, look, that's, you know, you were saying about where you come in.
That's quite tight, that, isn't it?
Yeah, obviously not designed for big boats, is it? Mind you saying that, that's a bloody big boat over there. Big yacht.
Yeah, they'll get them in there.
You need to know what you're doing, don't you?
Yeah, I'd say so.
There's Minehead over there. Where that headland is, yeah?
Yeah.
Did you find much up there, Dave?
No,
No.
nothing up there.
I think that was the only way down to the beach.
Just a track, and then it went onto the road because there's a car park.
Oh, right, I see.
With a couple of camper vans.
Yeah. That probably is the way down to the beach then. But tide's in.
Yeah.
Cute little place though, isn't it?
Yeah. Strange little building, isn't it?
I like the, don't know, like a radio station, you know, for shipping.
Maybe a weather station.
So this was originally, all of this here was
The
a
Victorian Pleasure Ground and Splash Point.
And Splash Point, yeah, that's what we just walked across. So, a little watch it, mate.
Watch out, watch it. There's a village called Watchet.
I mean, you could probably drive here, but you can also, if you get the heritage train, you can get off. Just keep an eye on the timetables. But what a pretty little harbour place, well worth jumping off the train to stop at. Good place to stop to get something to eat, which is what we're going to do. Now out, we're going to go and find some
coffee and
a bit of lunch, early lunch,
something, brunch, breakfast, something.
I'm gonna get him a drink.
Get him a... Oh.
Oh. Oh, Dave. Oh my God. But yeah, you look like you've got yourself. There has been some rain, you know. These storyboards go right along here, right along the harbour edge, so we've just given you a sample of a couple of them, but if you're ever down here, come and have a read of them. It's really, really interesting, isn't it?
A motorhome there, so there is parking for motorhome.
Yeah.
Well, not sure how many parking bays there is for motorhomes,
But I think if you're going to do the train ride and you plan it right, you can just jump off, can't you? And as I say, we've got a couple of hours before we need to move on. Saves you the stress of thinking, will I, won't I, can I, can't I?
Yeah, the train ride's good.
We're just coming back up the Esplanade. And there is a museum here. The Watchet Market House Museum. Some fossils, look, being found. Ammonites, fossil fish. So we'll come down to the other side of the harbour. This is where the mineral line ran, which carried iron ore from the hills to Watchet Station. And there's the last remaining bit of railway line. Seen any wildlife?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a gopher there.
There's a native wildlife. Gonna get some coffee and a bacon sandwich or something.
Alright, okay.
Something to eat because I'm starving.
So we're going to go have a look. We'll pick you back up again when we get back to the station, ready for the train. So we'll see you in a little bit.
Bye for now. Bye for now. So the train line, back in the day, used to peel off and go down to the harbour where that, see where the harbour is there, where the boat.
Where that white building is
Yeah.
and everything. Oh right, okay.
That's where it used to go, according to that, because that's what it's, that's the model of it.
That is. So back
It's cold and wet and it's raining.
oh, like Boris Johnson. Like the Boris Johnson hairdo.
It's not raining, but it's going to rain, I
We're
think.
back at the station.
Cloudy.
Just waiting for the
It's
steam
cloudy,
train.
the wind's blowing a bit, and we're going to get a steam train. And we're going all the way to the end of the line.
Yeah.
Which is
Bishop.
Bishop.
Oh, I don't know.
Bishop Summer.
Blythe.
Bishop tonight's 2.
Bishop Lydeard. I don't know if I pronounced that right.
Bishop
Apologies if I
Lydeard.
have.
Bishop Lydeard. And then we'll ride the train back all the way back to Minehead. And then we'll get the pup on the beach for half an hour. So we can have a run.
Yeah.
Because he won't let me go past the beach without dragging me on there anyway.
I am taking.
Okay, I'll see you later. See you in a bit. Hey, best view of the day.
So we're back in Minehead now, and that was the West Somerset Heritage Railway. Really worth.
Yeah, worth a go. Was lucky we did a mixture of both diesel and steam.
Yep, got off at the little harbour town of Watchet, which was well worth it. So you can make a full day of it.
Watchet.
It's 4 o'clock.
Watchet is worth it. Watchet.
Right, so we're gonna leave this video here. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Dunster Castle, so that will be on our next video. Stick with us, check that one out, and we will see you on the next one.